Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel, and for my new subscribers, you are all welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys as in how to do this lovely Ghana cornrow. So this lovely braid is in form of two-step. Can you see, guys? So after when you are done with the individual braid, you just go ahead and you section the front side. You section it into two as in equal parts. So after when you are done sectioning it into two, then you go ahead and you braid just one at the middle, just for you to demarcate the both parts. So you braid one at the middle. So when you are done with the one you braided at the middle, then you begin to braid from the other side. So here right now I'm just showing you guys because this particular braid is the braid that you pack in form of shuku. So if you are doing it this way, once you braid individual braid at the front side, that means your clients will not be able to fold it all back, so it will just pack it in form of chuku. But this particular one is just to style the hair the way you want it. You can fold it down like all back, you can make it chuku, so it will lap very well. Can you see, guys? So all what you need to do is just to take the pattern up. Can you see? So when you are parting it, you just take it a little bit up as if you are doing chuku, but not too high. Make sure you section it well, then apply your cream just to moisturize the scalp. Also make sure you brush the hair to make it fluffy while you are braiding it. So you need to start with the natural hair. I keep saying it, do not start with the extension. You start with the natural hair first. Braid like 2 inches before you start adding the extension. Can you see, guys? So this braid I'm doing now is Ghana braid, and if you wish you can do it feeding braid, but this particular one is Ghana cornrow. Can you see, guys? So when you are done with the Ghana aspect, then you braid the tip, braid it very well. So if you want, or if your client wants it loose or tight, so it depends on your client. Can you see, guys? So that's how you keep going with this lovely Ghana cornrow. Can you see? Please share this video to your friends and family, and if this video is helpful to you guys, please give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please feel at home, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. Can you see, guys? So make sure you ask your client to hold the hair, as in just to press it, so that she won't be feeling any pain. And make sure it's not too tight, just make sure you hold it firm, that's all. You see, guys? So you keep braiding it to the back. Now I'm almost done. This is the last one here that I want to braid. Can you see? Start with the natural hair first before adding extension. So this particular cornrow, so we use 2 pack of extension and it's cutting 3. Can you see, guys? So while braiding it, you start with the small extension, then the more you go to the back, the more the extension becomes bigger. Can you see? Just make sure you hold it firm. Then when you are done, you just go ahead and you trim the hair very well. because trimming is part of making hair. You need to trim it very well, as in to trim it neat. Can you see, guys? Just hold it firm, not too tight. Then you need to start with the natural hair before adding any extension. Can you see, guys? So now this is how you pack the hair. You just take small from the individual braid, then you pack it up, and if you want you can fold it down. Can you see, guys? So you go ahead and you put the hair inside hot water. After trimming the hair, you go ahead and you control the edges if your client wants it. You style the hair. Can you see how we style this hair? It's looking beautiful. This is the final look of the hair. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.